Hi friend, Ashish here. I am a yoga counselor. So there is one thing I want to share with you that will help you. Once in a childhood, my one of my friend, a close friend, he asked me, can I worship God? Can I chant something or kind of thing people used to do for worshipping? So I told him, if you feel that it will help you, please do that. He said, no, I don't think so. So then it's up to you. So I think at that time I was a child. I should say something more. But yeah, whatever the knowledge I have, I shared with him. So here I am telling you why people are saying that just because you are from any religion or any kind of mm, what you say community you are coming from, that is not the important thing. The important thing is ki, are you feeling well of doing that thing? Or if you are not feeling well, then just ask to your mentor, ask to your expert ki, I am not feeling well of doing this thing. Definitely they will guide you. At least you can ask them, you can explore that what the thing is. You should not judge just that these things are not good and why we are wasting our time. No, you are not wasting our time. People are doing those things from decades. That definitely there should be there something inside that. So what I want to say ki, basically it's a very controversial thing I want to discuss with you. It's regarding religion. So see, religion is what? According to me, religion is you born in a certain family or in a certain environment, and that thing is with you. There it's a good thing. For example, if I am going to somebody, to my friend's place, so I got an environment, their lifestyle, their thought, their feeling. So it's a new for me, but definitely it's a new for me. Maybe I am unable to adjust there, but from childhood you are in an environment. So people like that environment. If you don't like, then what happen? You will feel hollow inside you. You will feel lost unless and until you are a very intelligent. Your intellect is in that level. You can understand everything, or you are a very knowledgeable man. You are a jnani. Wisdom is inside you. Unless and until, if that is not there, how you can identify yourself that you are a very intelligent man or you have intellect? You are in a peace. Nothing bother you. You feel good about yourself. That is the thing. That is the key. You can understand your wisdom is so much, and nothing will affect you also. Nothing can affect you. So these are the principles. You can understand yourself that yeah, you are in the right way, right path. But if this is not happening, because everybody is learning, everybody is in a process, at least at that level, learning is an infinite process. You can learn till you're dead. But in a process where you want to achieve, at least you feel peace, and you have so many things that you can analyze things in a proper way, and you can know things in a proper way, and you can understand your life and others' life also. You have some perspective, and people will understand your perspective, and they will say, yeah, you are right. At least at that level. Till that level, what you can do, whatever you have, whatever you observed from childhood, just follow and keep asking to yourself, to your surrounding, to the expert, ki, what is this? Why should we do this? For example, my mom says that put a diya. So I asked my mom, why should I put a diya in front of idol? Why should I put diya or there is a kapoor. Why should I burn kapoor in front of idol? So she said कि it give you peace, and it's a it's a uh, it gives a harmony and prosperity. So somewhere so I did that for 5 days, 6 days. I feel, yeah, it gives something positivity in my place. Science, the research said that if you put diya ghee in a ghee, then so many germs, it kills so many germs, and it has a good effect on the environment. Nowadays, people are polluting so many, the carbon monoxide from cars and industries, and there are so many air pollution. So in that way, ghee diya helps you to unpollute those things, basically kapoor. So here you are making an environment in a positive way. So yeah, positivity comes. So I'm doing that. I'm just following my mom's, and mom is saying, why, what is the problem? If mom is saying something, do that, na. Doesn't. It's a very few time you are doing. So I'm just saying, don't do whatever I'm doing. Everybody has his own belief, just why everybody has his own belief, because their upbringing from childhood, whatever I see, whatever you see. Just follow that and ask yourself why we should do this. And I'm not saying to do it with your blind eye. Superstition is different thing. And see, I'm going there and I feel good. This can be a superstition. I'm just sitting in front of beach and I'm feeling very peace. It's my process. I just feel, it's a feeling. How can I explain you? The beaches, the sounds are there. The shore is coming, the sounds are there. It's not peace. It's not like you are sitting on a mountain without any pin. It's a pin drop silence and you are in a peace. On beaches it's not there. But I feel peace. I feel good. Then go and feel good. It's just like that. Don't just do operation. It will harm you. So it's like that. It's not superstition. If there is something, if I go to beach and then I feel peace, it's a superstition. No? Why you are thinking like that? You feel peace, just go there, sit there and just feel peace. Whatever you are understanding about yourself. So I think you understand what I want to say. Ki superstition is different thing. Yeah, if it is harming to a society, to other, then please don't try to do that. Yeah, if I am doing something and that thing is giving me peace, inspiration, or motivation, then that should not be done, because it's harming others, harming nature, basically nature. If I am doing some stuff that harms nature, that is not the good thing you should do. What you can do, if you do that thing, at least it is not, you are not affecting others, at least at this level. Do it only for yourself, for you only. So that will be the great thing you will do for yourself, for your surroundings, for the nature. Basically for yourself, because you also feel that it's a great feeling. Doing stuff for other is a great feeling, and that feeling also give you peace. So here, what I want to say you. So religion or any kind of rituals or any kind of practice that makes you in a process of peace, do that. Or if you are not following, then just your friend or anybody else told you that these are bullshit things, don't do this, and religion are the bad things, this is the only thing, people are fighting to each other. Why you are taking negative stuffs? Just feel that from childhood there are some memories of your mom, dad and your brothers, they are doing that, and you were feeling good, the celebration was there. Just feel the good stuffs, unless and until you are not intelligent or intellect, you have not that kind of intellect. At least feel that and just be in that mood. Don't share to others. So recently we had a festival, that's why I'm sharing with you. So when I went in that festival, I feel good. I feel that in my childhood days, my mom used to do that, my dad used to do that. We have a good food, we had a good environment, a great celebration. Friends are coming, we will just meet together. These things are very important for a human being, for a human body. You need, definitely food and activities required for your gross body, but for your subtler body, for your mind, you need to socialize, you need to make friends, you need to see people, you have to interact with your with your surroundings. In that way, these things will help you. The celebration, with meeting, with get together to your community, definitely your community will is attached with you just because of your family. The tradition are coming here, your forefather. So that will become your community, slowly, your uncle or your friends, your family friends. And you understand what I want to say. So I'm not telling you to judge anything surrounding you. I'm just telling you, if you feel good or if you are not feeling good, just ask yourself, ask to your seniors, your mentor, your gurus, and whatever you want, you do. Definitely there are something you like. It's not about imposing things on you, it's about just discovering happiness inside you. Discovering you, discovering me. The discussion is all about discovering me. Where is my happiness? So find that happiness, be in that happiness, and observe yourself, and know the knowledge, so that you can be an intelligent man. You have an intellect, wisdom in the process of knowing things. So here I'm ending my conversation. Hope you like my conversation. If something you want to say or guide me, please tell me. I am a great learner. I am a student basically. That's why I told you I am a yoga practitioner. If you tell me something, it will be the great thing you will do for me. Thank you, friend. Thank you.